Hey guys, it's Diego Gonzalez from mindlesspaint.com, and today I'm doing a wedding shirt. It's going to say bride, and I did a bunch of bridesmaid shirt. So I just want to show you a quick tutorial on how I do it. So first what I do is get some spray adhesive and spray the back of this template. I made like a quick martini glass template to go with it because it's for the bridal shower. You know, for the party or whatever they have. Whatever it's called. I forgot what it's called. I think it's bridal party, right? So I push the template on the shirt, slightly missed it. And you know, you can tape it around and angle it. I have it kind of off center, but you know, it's centered. And what I do is remove the stencil. And if you want any of my templates, I sell them online on my website. There's a link below. You can check it out. This one is the like martini glass. Good for parties, good for events. Just throw it on there, make some extra money, and make it come out a lot better. So this one's gonna say bride. So I'd never do this on my shirts, but you can. It's an old beginner t-shirt technique I used to do when I started out. I would draw a line, right? Slightly misted, so I know where my line is to write the word. Actually, let me do a little darker so you can see. See that right there? Or you can even do this. So let's try even this. It might even be a better idea. Bam, there you go. So that's your like top fade, and then your bottom, you leave it like that. And maybe you can even fade it out if you want to. And this is like a black mixed with white, so it's like a gray. And then you write the word bride. I for the heart. So bride, and then I do like a stroke around it to the right of it. Sometimes I change it up. It's not, it's not perfect, but it still looks nice, right? And that's all that matters, how it looks. Dagger strokes, dagger strokes, dagger strokes. Practice your dagger strokes. So then you can make nice like feathering, nice art, nice design. See that? All it is a dagger stroke. Look how pretty that is. Look how beautiful you can make a shirt if you have these dagger strokes. And this is kind of like a feathering effect. And my style is I add these little kind of graffiti circles in it. And it's not really congruent all the way, but it feels good. And that's all that matters. It's bullshit. You don't have to have like some perfect swirl here, perfect swirl there. You don't have to do that. I don't do it, and people love buying I sell so much stuff. It doesn't matter. As long as it looks compositionally balanced and good, that's all that matters. Now every artist is different. Find your style and what works for you and just run with it. This is what feels good for me. And you might be more like analytical and perfect and neat, and that's fine, that's nice. But if you're not, don't sweat it. Finish the martini glass, and if you want to you can actually do this. Do like a little table underneath it, and maybe kind of like a little drop shadow, so the glass is standing somewhere. Now when that's done, I'll add a template. This is like a kind of wings one. It's kind of a broken one, but I use it a lot. It's like that feathering effect from wings. And it brings movement within the shirt. So it brings movement, and what it's doing, it's framing the t-shirt. That's technically what it's doing. Why am I adding swirl here? I'm doing it for a reason. It's to balance off the shirt so it's even. I'm not just making these marks for no reason. It's not just, I'm guessing. It's consciously a reason. And you know, like I have traditional training in art, but simple concepts, a lot of you guys are really good artists. You already know this intuitively. You know, balance it out, what feels good. You know, you might not know the technical terms or whatever, but you know it as an artist. And that's really all that matters. So there you go. That's done, that's done. And then add a white to it. Because the colors are black, gray, white, silver. And the reason I'm not using a blow dryer now is because the power in here sucks. So if I run the blow dryer, the compressor, everything, lights, and everything will just shut off. So I'm doing it not because I want to, because I can't. So. Yeah, if you want to support me on Patreon, man, and get some money and help me get a better setup, I'd appreciate it. But for now, it's kind of just hood, you know. But I'm just messing around. But for real, like, just add white. And what this does, back to the tutorial lesson, is adds the highlight for you. So adding white will make it like a gray. And that's the aim of what I'm doing because they wanted gray on the shirt. Mixing the feathers. Mix all these colors together. Really nice. Damn, look at that. Mixing, 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 overlaying. Mixing, mixing. That's all I'm doing is mixing, right? You know, if you want to get really good with it, really like detailed, take your time. Go over here. Be slow about it and build up the intensity of the brightness of the colors so it's really popping. But honestly, you know, it's good to go. And, you know, that's it, man. So you have to churn them out too. You can't take your time forever on one. If you have a business, you got to make money, got to knock them out. So that's my quick tutorial on how to do a bride shirt for weddings. Appreciate it, guys. Follow me. And thanks for all my Patreon supporters. You help me make these videos and keep them going. You're awesome. Follow, subscribe, and share. And if you have any questions, drop a comment. Let me know what stuff you want to see. Any other stuff, guys, I appreciate it. And all the stencils, all the stuff is in the links below. All right, guys, later. Bye.